You want the bold flavor of a backyard BBQ, but you don't have hours to tend a smoker. Today, we're making oven-baked tilapia with a rich Nigerian pepper sauce that delivers big flavor in every bite. This is Nigerian Texas fusion. Let's cook. Preparing the sauce. Everything starts with the sauce. Bell peppers, onions, garlic, ginger, thyme, Knorr seasoning, and a little vegetable oil all go into the blender. Blend until smooth. This isn't just another pepper mix. It's the layer that's going to give our fish its bold personality. Cooking the sauce, heat a little vegetable oil in a pot, then pour in the blended mixture. Now let it cook for about 10 minutes. Cooking the sauce removes that raw pepper taste and concentrates every flavor into something richer, sweeter, and deeper. While the sauce is cooking, let's prep the tilapia. Preparing the fish and marinade. Cut both sides of the fish so every bite absorbs the seasoning. For the marinade, I'm using blended pepper, salt, Knorr seasoning. Onion powder, black pepper. Vegetable oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Mix everything until it's well combined. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Applying marinade. Now work that marinade into every cut, every corner, and both sides of the fish. Don't just coat the surface, but massage it in. Then let the fish marinate for 1 hour so the seasoning has time to penetrate into the baking pan. Once it's fully marinated, transfer the tilapia into a baking pan. Now it's ready for the oven. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. This first bake cooks the fish while locking in all those flavors. Now comes the best part. Generously spoon that rich, cooked pepper sauce over the fish. Then return it to the oven for another 5 minutes so the sauce and fish become one. Look at that. Flaky, juicy, tilapia coated in a rich, flavorful pepper sauce. This is proof you don't need a smoker to create unforgettable flavor. If you enjoyed this Nigerian Texas fusion recipe, like this video, subscribe to Holar of Texas, and let me know in the comments what dish I should fuse next. I'll see you in the next one.